Okay, so in some editions of SolidWorks, depending on what computer you're on, tabs can appear like this. And perhaps you want to reorder them. So watch this video if you learn how to reorder them. So say for example, you would like sketch first, then features, and you like surfaces third, right? You can go to options, customize now. Once you have this box up, you have the ability to redrag these. So I can move sketch to the front, okay, features second, all right, surfaces there, all right, or maybe you want basic modeling tools there first, so you can drag that over, whatever you want. Then you might want sketch after, and so on and so forth. And maybe look, there's some of these tabs you want to turn off. Now they're currently structures to elements, they're not on, as I can see them slightly darker. But just to go on again, if you want to turn off a tab, right click tabs, okay, and untick it there. So untick and then it disappears, right? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.